Delegation is an important leadership skill. The strongest leaders delegate to keep workloads under control and to ensure that commitments are achieved efficiently and effectively. Delegation also empowers teams by showing them that leaders value their opinions and engagement, which in turn increases motivation and professional growth. But delegating is not easy for everyone. In fact, according to the findings from a team of researchers at Columbia Business School, delegating is tougher for women than men. In one experiment, not only did women delegate less to their subordinates than men, but the women who did delegate experienced a greater sense of anticipatory anxiety, felt more guilt about burdening their subordinates, and feared backlash from colleagues. And yet, the same experiment showed that women who did delegate outperformed those who did not, as they had more time to accomplish a multitude of tasks. So if delegating helps both men and women successfully accomplish more, why is it so much harder for women? In a separate experiment, male and female MBA students were asked how much they associated delegation with dominance adjectives versus communal adjectives. They found that women were equally likely as men to associate delegation with communal traits, but more likely than men to associate delegation with dominance traits. Women view delegation as both a dominant and communal act, but dominance looms larger for women. This finding means that female managers face an unfortunate and challenging double bind. The same qualities that can make them good leaders can make them bad women. Collectively, the research shows that although delegation can be hard, especially for women who face unfair double binds, delegation is an essential skill for achieving maximum success. The researchers also offer some advice to help women more effectively delegate. Reframe delegation as an act of team empowerment rather than of leader dominance. Doing so can help individual team members grow and strengthen teams overall, which in turn create team environments that foster new ideas and innovation.